Thank you, Gianluca.
Di HydroAlp, del gruppo
Now,
BM, che ha
HydroAlp BM Group,
sostanzialmente sviluppato, cioè progettato,
which has
prodotto e messo sul
planned,
commercio un
produced,
impianto di
and
produzione di idrogeno da
distributed
energie
a
rinnovabili, chiavi in
production
mano,
plant
che è
of
installato completamente e interamente
hydrogen,
all'interno di un container, con
which
una
is
importante
installed
potenza
in a
di 120
container with
kW.
a
Chiediamo quindi a Luca Mion,
power of
amministratore delegato di
120
HydroAlp,
kilowatts.
di
So we
raccontarci
have Luca
qualcosa di più su
Mion.
questo prodotto e come è stato accolto dal
Please
mercato
tell
e
us
dagli
something
investitori.
about
Grazie
this
mille.
product and how it was accepted by and welcomed by the market. Well, I'd like to say a few words about our company and what is our mission. Hydro comes from a Trentino group, which is called BM, which is focused on digital and energy transition. These services are targeted towards energy using big consumers, and hydrogen is more and more important, and our group has decided to invest in this sector and start to develop the appropriate skills. We identify the hydro company because we thought that within this company there is a whole series of technical skills which would allow us to implement tangible projects. Another point is that we applied for the PNR project, and we got the second of the two projects for the production of green hydrogen in the province of Trento. And the project will be implemented in the municipality of Storo. So our company is working in these two areas. And then we want to support energy using companies, and by doing so we have realized that one of the technological and also philosophical obstacles is to get in touch with the process and also be involved in the implementation of these processes and understand what could be the impact on the finished product, because for example, in the case I'm telling you about, there were some doubts about the operational impact. And we, as Hydro, gave support both during the design process for big plants, and the market also asked us to study a solution which could create some plug-and-play units in order to carry out tests directly in the production sites. During the last months of 23 and during the first months of 24, we carried out a survey in order to understand what could be the electrolysis systems already available in the market, and introducing them into the system in order to be installed in an industrial environment and have available all the systems which are necessary for electrolysis. We're speaking about the need to have an appropriate feeding of the process, both in electrical terms but also in terms of water quality, with osmosis processes for the correct depuration of water, and then the management of gas, its drying up, its filtering, its accumulation, and then the integration with the blending systems in order to introduce it into the process. That that project was very well accepted by our partner, and we built a system within our plant, and then it was installed in a ceramic producing factory in the area of Modena. and it was immediately started. We carried out various tests, and the entrepreneur was thus able to overcome some doubts that they had. Now we hope we can continue our collaboration with this customer. And at the same time, with our working group, we are involved in the planning of the Hydrogen Valley project in Storo. I'll give you some data. It includes about 5 megawatts of photovoltaic energy subdivided into 6 plants. Well, if you know the geography of the Valle del Chiese, it is an alpine valley which is very small, and so it is necessary to find the right place for the future photovoltaic installations. In line, of course, with the regulations, and we've worked in collaboration with the province of Trento in order to be able to implement the project. So the photovoltaic area has been designed, and we are now starting to implement the project in line with the deadlines of the European projects. At the same time, we are planning the production site of hydrogen, where we will have also a storing unit, and then the hydrogen will be delivered to a company which is a vanishing company, and the objective is that of converting the consumption from natural gas into hydrogen. And at the same time, we are active in many other situations at a national level in order to support companies that are currently assessing the possibility of installing such units. And we try to work in collaboration with the companies for the management of the whole project. Thank you.
Ecco, grazie Luca. Darei ora la parola ad Alfredo Maglione di Confindustria Trento per fare un po' un ragionamento di prospettiva, cioè come l'idrogeno
Association of Industrialists, in order to see together how hydrogen can contribute to the Trentino economy in the next 5 to 10 years. And I would like to hear about which sector specifically